Hello and welcome to the video where we review a new unified application policy setting that forces drain mode during host pool deployments or reimaging. This setting is available on Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5. We can add applications to session hosts when we create a host pool or reimage session hosts in an existing host pool. We likely don't want users to log into session hosts in this scenario until all applications are installed. We want to prevent users from logging into a session host that's not fully provisioned. With this new feature, we can force drain mode on session hosts until the assigned application deployment policies have completed. This way, the session host is not available until all assigned applications are installed. For a new host pool, we first deploy the host pool. Next, before the session hosts are deployed, assign an existing application policy or create a new one and assign the application policy to the host pool. Then we go back to the host pool, and from the host pool go to Properties, VM Deployment, select the option to install applications. This option will install applications assigned to the session host by the Unified Application Management Policy before removing session hosts from drain mode. We'll save and close. Now if we go to Autoscale and enable Autoscale, and then to manage hosts, the session hosts are now being deployed. This will take a few minutes to finish. If we watch the progress, notice the status of the session host is in drain mode. Also, the log shows an application policy was detected. The session host will stay in drain mode until the applications assigned by the policy are installed. Once the session hosts are deployed and the applications defined in the policy are installed, the session host becomes available. This also works with existing host pools. If we add an application policy to an existing host pool and set install applications in the host pool property, then resize or reimage the host pool, the new session host will remain in drain mode until the applications are installed. That is how we force drain mode during application installations on new host pool deployments or reimaging with Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5.